Welcome to Fortune Empress. These are the top 5 ETFs for beginners in 2021. Number 1. Vanguard Mega ETF. This investment seeks to track the performance of a benchmark index that measures the investment return of large capitalization stocks in the United States. While its mega cap focus means the portfolio can be concentrated, the stocks featured here tend to be steady, profitable franchises and are typically resilient in downturns. As of July 31st, 2021, the number of stocks in this ETF are 244. The 10 largest holdings, which made up about 34% of this entire ETF, are Apple, Microsoft, Alphabet, Amazon, Facebook, Tesla, Berkshire Hathaway, Nvidia, JP Morgan Chase, and Johnson & Johnson. Number 2. Invesco SP 500 Low Volatility ETF. Invesco SP 500 Low Volatility ETF offer unbundled exposure to the S&P 500's least volatile stocks. The investment seeks to track the investment results of the S&P 500 Low Volatility Index. The fund will invest at least 90% of its total assets in the securities that comprise the underlying index. As of September 2nd, 2021, the top 10 largest holdings in this ETF are Verizon, Procter & Gamble Co., Hershey, Colgate, PepsiCo, McDonald's, Johnson & Johnson, Mondelez International, Republic Services, and Waste Management. For the list of the fund's holding, over 21% of the assets is in the consumer staples sector, followed by utilities at 18.65% and healthcare at 14.93%, etc. Number 3. Schwab US Dividend Equality ETF. Do you love getting paid every month? If the answer is yes, then this is the ETF for you. Schwab US Dividend Equality ETF tracks the Dow Jones US Dividend 100 Index, which sweeps in 100 stocks that have paid dividends for at least 10 consecutive years and boast the financial health to bolster their chances of continuing this streak. Many of the top holdings are reliable industry cornerstones. Stocks in the portfolio tend to come with relatively modest valuations because the index considers yield when selecting constituents. The top 10 holdings for this fund are Mac & Co., Home Depot, Texas Instruments, Broadcom, Amgen, PepsiCo, BlackRock, Pfizer, Cisco Systems, and Verizon. Most of the money that goes into this fund will be invested into financial services sector stocks, which is about 22% of the total distribution, followed by industrial sector of 18.05% and technology sector of 16.26%. Number 4. Vanguard Total World Stock ETF. Want to diversify your portfolio even more? Why limit yourself to just US stocks? Vanguard Total World Stock Index Fund offers unrivaled diversification. This ETF holds a piece of every investable stock in the world and marries it to a low fee that should be tough to beat over the long run. This fund tracks the FTSE Global All Cap Index, which represents about 9,000 companies of all sizes listed from more than 45 countries in the world. The top 10 holdings are Apple, Microsoft, Alphabet, Amazon, Facebook, Tesla, Taiwan Semiconductor Factory Co., Berkshire Hathaway, Nvidia, and JP Morgan Chase. This company only represented about 14% of the fund. The money invested in this fund would be invested into different regions of the planet. 61.2% of the money put into this will be invested into North America stocks, about 17% into Europe markets, 11.10% into Pacific, 10.30% into emerging markets, and 0.5% into Middle East and other stocks around the world. Number 5. Vanguard Real Estate ETF. Do you want to invest into real estate without having to deal with the hassle of owning a property? Then here is the ETF for you. Vanguard Real Estate Index accurately represents the broad U.S. real estate market. The investment seeks to provide a high level of income and moderate long-term capital appreciation by tracking the performance of the MSCI's U.S. Investable Market Real Estate 25/50 Index. This index features a few real estate management and development firms, but equity real estate investment trusts make up the vast majority of the portfolio. The top 10 holdings as of July 31st, 2021 are as follows: Vanguard Real Estate 2 Index Fund, American Tower Corp, Prologis Inc., Crown Castle International Corp., Equinix Inc., Public Storage, Digital Realty Trust Inc., Simon Property Group Inc., SBA Communications Corp., and Welltower Inc. There you go. These are our top 5 ETF of 2021. If you find this helpful, please give this video a thumb up so we can make more helpful content like this. Until next time.